Hey guys, welcome once again to your channel Being Up to Date. So today we are going to talk about BRICS, not this one. So let's begin. So basically, it is the abbreviation form of name of countries, refers to Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. It was formed in 2006 as BRIC and called as BRICS after South Africa joined the group in 2010. And the idea of creation of BRIC was initiated by Russia. And the summits are held annually where progress and new goals are being discussed. And countries helps each other in sustainable development, improved infrastructure, climate change, etc. And recently, the 13th summit of BRICS was hosted by India this year. And if we talk about its significance, as IMF has still the domination of USA, BRICS countries have set up their own bank, the New Developmental Bank, headquartered at Shanghai, China. And also the CRA, that is Contingent Reserve Agreement, was set up to give support, strength and principal stability of other nations. Now there are also several challenges faced by BRIC countries, like there is no unity among the BRIC countries, as the face of a Doklam and recent Galwan Valley dispute between both the countries, that is India and China, created trust issues. And unemployment is on rise, making things worse for every country. And trade and investment linkages among the BRICS countries are fragile and disjointed. And China, owning the majority stakes in BRICS, is trying to make yuan as the reserve currency of the BRIC nations. There are also several benefits for India being member of BRICS, as it reduced our tensions with China through this platform. And also it helps us to maintaining a relationship with its all-weather friend Russia. And also as India is hugely dependent on coal and World Bank has stopped funding coal projects, India has its own new developmental bank to its aid. So all in all, as BRICS comprises of 41% of world population and having combined nominal GDP of $18.6 trillion, and as India and China are the fastest growing economies in the world, together these countries can bring a huge change in our current socio-economic order of world, which is currently governed by EU, US and G7 nations. So we should understand our combined potential and work towards the sustainable development, taking along more and more countries with us. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.